The girl who found her voice. Lena had always been a quiet girl. Growing up in a small town, she loved to watch videos on YouTube. Fascinated by the way people could share their stories with the world. From cooking tutorials to makeup tips, it seemed like everyone had something to say except Lena. She was shy, unsure of what her voice would sound like in the vast ocean of YouTube content. One afternoon, as Lena sat in her room scrolling through her phone, she noticed a video by a creator who was just like her, an introvert, someone who preferred being behind the camera rather than in front of it. The video was simple, a glimpse into the creator's daily life, filled with soft music and peaceful moments. But what struck Lena was how genuine it felt. It wasn't about being loud or outgoing, it was about being real. I could do that, Lena thought to herself. She had a passion for art, creating small drawings and sketches in her notebook, but no one had ever seen them. Maybe it was time to share her world with others, even if only a few people would watch. The next day, Lena set up her phone in the corner of her room, placed a few of her drawings on her desk, and pressed record. She didn't say much at first, just introduced herself and her love for art. She showed her process, sketching, adding color, erasing mistakes, letting her hand speak for her. There were no fancy edits or loud music, just Lena and her art. When she finished, she hesitated. She could have deleted the video. But something told her to keep it. She hit upload and, with a deep breath, clicked publish. The next morning, Lena checked her phone, half expecting nothing to have happened. But to her surprise, her video had views. Not a lot, but enough for her to feel a spark of hope. People were leaving kind comments. "Your art is so beautiful. I love how peaceful this feels." Lena smiled. She wasn't just another face in a crowd of content creators. She was sharing her own, unique perspective. As days passed, Lena began making more videos. Some were about her sketches. Others were about her journey as an artist. Slowly, she started to speak more confidently. Her shy nature turned into a quiet strength. And her small corner of the internet began to grow. Lena wasn't chasing fame or likes. But she had found something more valuable, the courage to share her world and, in doing so, inspire others to do the same.